I want to give you a preview of a couple of your assignments for this week. So this is what it's going to look like when you've logged in with your username and password. This week you have 5 assignments, okay, and they're listed here, all 5 of them. Let's start by just looking at assignment number 1, which is called adding integers on a number line, okay? It's due on May 11th at 8 a.m. So I'm asking that you have completed it by that time, as I will be looking at the data to determine if we need more practice with integers. Okay, let's click into this. Actually, before we do that, you can see right here that the 20 means that you will be required to complete 20 questions correctly to finish this assignment. Okay, so I'm going to click in to the assignment. And I wanted to show you that some of the pages in Delta Math are going to ask you to move things around on the screen. So it says right here, find the result graphically. Click and drag the arrows to represent each term. Type in the result. The question is 9 subtract 6. I know that you know the answer to that is 3, but there's nowhere yet to put the answer in, because we first have to click and drag the arrows to represent each term. So to represent 9, if we start at 0, since it's positive 9, I'm going to go to the right 9 units. And now you're going to get a red dot that comes in, and I have to subtract 6. If I subtract 6, the answer should get smaller. I'm going to move to the left 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? As soon as you've moved both of the arrows for both of the numbers in the question, it will now allow you to answer the question. So first I went 9, positive 9, and then I subtracted 6, and where I ended up right here is 3. So I'm going to type in my answer of 3, say yes, I want to submit, and that was correct. Okay, recall that to get to the next problem, you press this button right here. Say you didn't know what to do. Okay, I wanted to show you that you can go up here and get an example if you click on Show Example. Or you could, if you have no idea, you can give up, and it will just say, yes, I give up, and it'll give you a new one. Okay, it's wrong, the one that you did, but if you give up, at least you can look at the solution to see what you have to do to get that answer. Okay, so that's one of the things I wanted to show you. Okay, I'm going to go back. I haven't finished this assignment. I've only done 1 out of 20, or 5% of the assignment. Okay, but I wanted to show you that sometimes you're going to have to do more than just enter an answer. The second thing I wanted to show you is what will happen when you have a little clock here beside the section of the assignment, okay? And that little clock actually means I'm asking you to compete against yourself. So in this case, when you click into the assignment, I want you to see if you can answer 10 questions in 100 seconds. Okay, and if you can't, that's no big deal. These assignments are just for you to rebuild your skills. You can try, keep trying again and again until you're successful. Okay, and how this assignment goes is you just press start, and it will give you a question right here. The timer has started. 7 plus negative 9 does give an answer of -2. If it's right, it'll move on to the next one. 9 plus -1. Remember, adding a negative is the same as subtracting, so 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, -1 plus -7. I want to just show you what happens if you click it wrong. Okay, so the answer to that, I put -6. The correct answer is actually -8. The timer stopped, okay, because I didn't get 10 questions correct, and I'm going to have to start over again. So start. 3 plus -6 is -3. I'm going to click through this, and I just want you to watch that the score is getting better. Okay, 2 out of 10. Remember, I have to do 10 correctly. So what happens when you get to 10? If I keep answering these questions, I'm now at 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and now you can see, I'm going to just press stop, okay, that I've completed 10 out of 10, and it gave me my time for completing 10 out of 10. Okay, I did that in 32.1 seconds. I can start over again and try to see if I can beat my time. Remember, these are just designed for you to build on your skills. Okay, we haven't done integers for a while. But once you get to 10 out of 10, okay, I've got a time grade of 100%. I'm going to go back. I've completed 50% of this assignment because there's 2 sections. So I would now go into the second section and do the same thing. Okay, so 2 different things that you're going to find in these assignments for this week. Enjoy.